Looking for the best leather hole punchers? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 leather hole punchers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Promaster Super Heavy Duty Rotary Puncher. Good construction on this well-made tool. Comes with 6 hole width options. Works on leather and many other thick fabrics and materials, like cardboard or canvas. Easy to use. Made to last. If you need a sharp leather punch that can punch holes in other materials too, the Promaster is a reliable choice. Turning the wheel to change hole sizes can be a little difficult. At number 2. Adderox Heavy Duty 6-size Revolving Leather Belt Hand Hole Punch. Well made. 6 hole sizes. Inexpensive compared to other models. A simple tool. The handles are comfortable to use. Works on belts and other leather attire. For just getting the job done without costing a lot of money, the Adderox provides a good value on a home use leather punch. Doesn't include the extra leverage available on some of the more expensive models. It requires more hand strength to use. At number 1. ABN Power Punch Heavy Duty Hole Punch Set. Comes in a nice storage box. Can create a deep hole. 7 sizes of holes. Works good for belt leather, but can also punch through sheet metal and brass. This reasonably priced punch set works well on leather, but can also be used for metal work. While the storage case is labeled, there are no sizes marked on the bits. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.